Hi everyone, good day. I am Hazel Rubio Garrig and today I'll be sharing my thoughts on the role of technology in teaching and learning, especially how it connects with our K-12 curriculum framework. So in today's world, technology is everywhere, right? From the way we communicate to how we learn. It truly changed education. In classroom now, technology isn't just an add-on. It is part of how students discover, explore, and create knowledge using technology. The K-12 curriculum aims to help students become holistically developed and ready for real world. It focuses on the 21st century skills like communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. And technology plays a big role in achieving these goals. So first, technology makes learning more engaging and fun. Technology Teachers now use videos, PowerPoint presentations, interactive games, and even virtual simulations. For examples, in science, students can explore the solar system using 3D apps or do virtual experiments safely online. These tools help make lessons more exciting and easier to understand. So by showing that 3D apps, the students can understand easily on how the solar system connects. Like, it shows the kanang drawing and other forms of visual effects. So second, technology supports different types of learners. So not everyone learns the same way or at the same speed because we have different students or we have the diversities of our students. So with online platforms like Google Classrooms or DifEd Commons, students can go back-to-back lessons, review materials, or learn at their own pace. So this helps make education more inclusive, especially in the Philippines, where access to resources can be uneven since we have rural and kanang rural and what do you call that another area? Bukid and kanang city. So third, technology encourages collaboration. So collaboration and communication. Students can work together online, share documents, and join discussions even if they're not in the same classroom. It teaches them teamwork and digital responsibility, which are very important skills in today's world. And lastly, technology prepares students for the future. In our world is becoming more digital, so by using technology in schools, students are also building skills they need in college, at work, and in daily life, like problem solving, research, and information literacy. To wrap up or to conclude my presentation, technology is a powerful partner in education. It helps teachers teach better, helps students learn smarter, and connects everyone in new ways. But more than that, it reminds us that learning doesn't just happen inside the classroom. It can happen anytime and anywhere with the help of technology. As part of the K-12 generation, we are lucky to have these tools. What's important now is to use them wisely and meaningfully to make learning more creative, inclusive, and future ready. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.